Oh, so much more confidence now, huh? Ooh. Yeah. I mean, it's just a great day. Look at all these people, man, coming in for cars. You got the drip on one side, you got the time attack, you got the strip in the back, you got the mud, you got the show and shine, you got the girls, the bikes, the cars. There's only one thing we're really missing, and I guess it doesn't go with cars anymore, so we'll drink water. First time attack. Let's check out the lateral G from our performance page, and Y side is 1.08 G, 1.08 Gs, and left side, X side is 0.90, 0.90. Yeah, there's only one curve there, turning right. Two, actually, there's two. One that could be a high-end G. The first one is not going to be, or maybe, we'll see. But just the baseline, and just get familiarized with the course. It's changed a little bit this year, and yeah, this run should be better. Oh, so much more confidence now, huh? Ooh. Yeah. I kind of had a little bit of tail happy slide, and you know, coming in a little bit too hot, so I don't think it's going to help some of the G-force there. Probably lost some, but let's see where we stand. Oh, improvement on all fronts. So that right bend just at the end there before the start finish line, 1.03 Gs, 1.03 Gs. And probably the first hairpin is 1.15. Now remember guys, this is a stock car other than that front brace. This is an RT Plus with the Super Track back, with the Bilstein shocks and the Scat Pack lowered rims. That comes as a package already. So other than that strut tower brace, just some tire improvements. We went with the Michelin Pilot Super Sports 255/40/20s on all fours, so those are pretty sticky now. Temperatures at 37 psi's on all four tires. All right, this is the fourth run. Temperature outside 67 degrees, but with a lot of sun, so it's probably hotter than this. Air intake temperature is at 116 Fahrenheit. So yeah. One felt good. I think we beat it. All right, so let's check out how we did. So I knew, I had a feeling we improve on that right hand turn there. We did 1.07 on the x-axis. On the y-axis, we didn't beat it. Still the same.
Notwithstanding it.
Still 1.15. Got the Mexican crew here. I like their cars. Great styling.